What's up, good people? So today I am in the kitchen. Drum roll. So you'll be wondering, hey, leo tabs wako jikoni. Yes, I'm in the kitchen and it's on a Friday, and guys, I've never felt so free. I think work has been holding me so much, and after the audits I feel like a free bird. I feel like I can do anything. So it's a bit quiet today because I've sent Kayla to my friend, my bestie Triza. Shout out to you, girl. I love you very much. So I sent them there because tomorrow I want to do fumigation in my house and we have to eat dinner. So today I'm going to make some pork, guys. That's what I'm making today, and some ugali and some cabbage because sikuwa na greens zingine, but that's what I'm making today and I am excited because I've never cooked in this channel. Imagine, sijawahi pika. Hadi some of you are like, Tabs, are you sure you usually cook? But yes, I do cook. Thank you so much to the 900 subscribers. You guys are the best. You guys are the best. Thank you to my premium gang. You guys support me. You guys motivate me. You guys. And to the new subscribers, karibuni sana to this family. We love you here. We really love you here. So washeni tupike pork. We see how it turns. We see how. Rate my cooking, by the way. Please rate my cooking. Please rate my cooking because naweza kuwa najichocha maybe, but pengine I don't know nothing. So we're just going to marinate the pork for like 30 minutes as I prepare other things, and then tuipike bio tukule na sembe, maisha isonge, sindio? So I'm going to use just 3 spices. I'm going to use mchuzi mix and some cumin, just little kidogo. I am not a fan of spices that much. And then some cumin. I really love cumin. And some black pepper because today Kayla isn't around, and we can do some kidogo. Yeah, and that, and then I'm going to be adding in some soy sauce, the dark one. And of course some salt to taste. Because we're not going to be taking so much time with the marinade, I'm just going to be using very kidogo. I hope the spices are going to settle in. Just kidogo. Hii nile we are trusting our ancestors with their amounts. Yeah, so that's it. You know, my daughter is just gone for like 1 hour and I already miss her. It's until they are gone that you realize you enjoy their company. I'm going to add in one more thing, the ginger. Let me just crush it because apparently I forgot to do that. I've added in the ginger. I'm just going to let it sit for 30 minutes as I prepare the other ingredients. Yeah, and then we shall be back.
It's so hard for me to say this. I'm not exactly gay, but sure as hell it's racist. If I'm honest, I feel somewhere in the middle. I've been trying to deny it for a minute. It only comes out when
Since I'm steaming my cabbage, I like for very few minutes. I usually just put everything in. The cabbage, the onion and the carrots and steam them pamoja, because I don't want the onions cooking so much. Yeah, so I'm just going to add in these onions into the cabbage and then add in the carrots. Yep. Karibu niseme onions done. So I add them in. Then I'm going to make these carrots. So I've added in one more carrot and that's ready. And prepare these other ingredients. Apparently my house doesn't have much of a working space, so this is the only one that I have, so we got to use what we have. It's actually just this space that has the sink, but we have to just use what we have, because before God gives us another house, so let me just steam the cabbages because they take less time. It's hot. I'm just going to add in the cabbage. So in the meantime, our pork is ready to cook. So we're just going to be so our pork is cooked. I let it boil for a while, for a few minutes. And I made sure it boiled well, because you need to cook your pork very well. Nasikianga kuna magonjwa. You just want it to brown a little bit. I'm going to add in some the onions. And we're going to go in with our tomatoes. Adding a bit of soy sauce. And lastly, some garlic. I just did 2 cloves because I didn't want it to be too much. But it's not lastly, we still have some hoho. Honestly, next time I'm just going to stick to blending it because I don't like the nyanyas that zimebaki, but what shall I do? But that's it for the pork. Let me just serve it. Muone the food, muone the outcome. And guys, that's it for this video. The food is yummy. The food is yummy. Actually, it's yummy by looking at it. I've not even eaten it. It's nice. It's nice, guys. So thank you for watching until this point. Kuna maziwa ilibaki, so I'm going to be drinking the milk also. And I'm actually catching up with a fellow YouTuber, anaitwa Lucy Nyabera. Please go and watch her content. She has amazing content on cleaning, hauls, motherhood, and all that. And thank you so much, guys, for your support. I do not take this for granted. I honestly do not take it for granted. You guys have supported me in with so much love, and I really appreciate. So go and check out Lucy Nyabera. I'm actually watching her. Let me just show you her video.
And welcome back to my channel. My name is Nyabera. If you're new here, kindly consider subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back.
So I love you guys. Mwah. You're the best. You're totally the best. My returning subscribers, I love you.